Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zergul. In this video we discuss about sun. What is sun? The sun is a huge ball of hot glowing gases. It is the only star in our solar system. The hottest part of the sun is its center of core. The gases burn and boil all the time. The light from the gases is so bright that will hold towards eyes. Since ancient time, people will use sun to locate places and to find their way back if they got lost. The rays of the sun provide the energy for every living thing on earth. Plants use the energy from the sun to prepare their food. In the process of making food, they release oxygen which animals and human beings breathe. Man uses the energy from sun, that is solar energy, to run various appliances. Solar is derived from Latin word sol, which means sun. Solar energy prepares to anything that uses or operates with the sun's energy. Sun's gravity is 28 times stronger than Earth. Sun is made up of gases. Hydrogen makes up most of the sun, but it also contains helium and small amount of other gases. Nuclear fusion goes on inside the sun all the time, and this process releases energy which we receive on earth. This is solar energy, which is unlimited. It will not get over at least thousands of generations. We all know that looking at the sun directly with naked eye are harmful and can blind us permanently. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.